Now, if you ever come across a sign like saying release like parking brake or like something like that, we do have a setting for that in our head units. This is like the M Series. Now, we haven't come across that problem very often, but we had a customer the other day who was using like Android Auto, and if you're trying, but wired Android Auto, it wouldn't happen on wireless Android Auto. But if you're trying to drive off before the connecting had done, it wouldn't connect, and we would give them the error like saying please release parking brake. So what you can do in the unit is come into settings, car infotainment, about device, this one up here, 8878, into others, and we're looking for brake. So we can force it off, we can force it to be on, user on, user off. Now, majority of the time, if you did have that error, you'd want to be setting it to user on. Then once you've done that, click save at the top. The unit will reboot, and then that setting will be saved, and you shouldn't be having that issue anymore.